Waxpol Heavy Duty Car Wash Shampoo is a super concentrated wash free from harsh detergents and abrasives. One drop gives 10 times super foaming. Directly apply concentrate on heavily soiled surfaces like hardened tree sap, bird dropping and dead bugs before washing the car. Squeeze to get a drop and top it up with water. One bottle gives 100 washes. On a cool car surface, start washing from top to bottom. Never use detergent or shampoo to wash the car as they strip off its protective wax. Use a toothbrush for small and difficult areas. Wait for 3 to 5 minutes and rinse the car from top to bottom. Dry with a microfiber or soft cotton cloth. Can be used for bucket wash, foam wash and snow foam wash. Waxpol Heavy Duty Car Wash Shampoo is a clear coat safe wash that is high foaming and tough on dirt, leaving the car super clean.